Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So on my lips today I'm wearing the Steak Workies liquid lipstick in the shade Contemporary Chic 2. It's a nice bright red and if you are going to be a bride, I think this will look really nice. Now I get a lot of comments asking me if I've got my lips done. I also got this one comment where this girl was like, I'm sure she's got her lips done. She's just lying. She doesn't want to say it, but it's clear that she's got her lips done. So I want to clear it to you guys. Yes, I have got my lips done, and it was done by Jesus Christ himself. What is it like? I don't know, like having fuller lips, you can have them naturally. You can have fuller lips naturally. I remember when I made a video, someone said it's impossible for skinny girls to have big boobs. Live example, been skinny all my life with big boobs. So it is very, very possible to have it naturally. Like just because I have fuller lips doesn't mean I have to have gotten some kind of fillers in it. It's just naturally like this. It's always been like this. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all the things that I got for skincare and everything that I want to try. Now Purple is having their sale on 11th July and 12th July. I think I am late, but you can still take advantage of the sale and buy things that you want. They have great offers. I will leave everything in the description box for you guys to check it out. So let me show you everything that I got. So first is I go through different kind of phases where I have different kind of obsessions. At the moment, my obsession is hair masks. I've been really enjoying them. And when you naturally have extremely dry hair, you have to maintain it. You have to put in that effort. So I have an unhealthy amount of hair masks, but I love using hair masks. It's just easy, quick. It doesn't take much time. You just need like 10-15 minutes before your shower. So the first hair mask that I have is by Good Vibes. This is the Keratin Nourishing Hair Mask. Now I have already used this mask. I had like a small container, and this is really good for people with extremely dry ends. This will really nourish your hair, and keratin is extremely good for your hair. So this will keep your hair moisturized. It will keep your hair soft and nourished. Next I have Amla Shikakai Strengthening Hair Mask. Amla, Shikakai together, extremely good for your hair. And off lately, I've been doing everything possible to maintain the health of my hair. My hair has been doing really well. The growth has been good. I'm not having, a lot of hair fall, and I've been able to control that. So I've been doing everything I can to maintain that. Next I have is Onion Hair Fall Control Hair Mask. Now a lot of products are coming out with onion as their main ingredient. It's really good for hair growth. It promotes hair growth and keeps your hair healthy and keeps the roots very healthy. So it's really good. And next I have is Apple Cider Vinegar Smoothing Hair Mask. Now all of these hair masks are very easy to apply. You just need, sometimes if you have sinus or you suffer from severe headaches, then use it on dry hair. But if you do not have that problem, then just dampen your hair a little and then use this hair mask, and you can just wash it off and your hair will feel really smooth and silky and nourished. And if you are struggling from dry ends, remember one thing, that even if you do not have hair fall, if you have dry hair, the chances of it breaking is high. So again, that is also going to cause your hair to break and to fall off. So make sure to keep your hair nourished and moisturized. Next I have with me is some essential oils from Good Vibes. If you are an OG follower, you know that I love essential oils. These are really flexible. You can use them in multiple ways. I'm sorry for my medication to be here. Yeah, so you can use it in multiple ways, and you can put them in your hair mask. You can use them in your hair oils, shampoo, anything. I have here is cinnamon, patchouli and ginger. Now ginger, amazing if you have a lot of hair fall, dandruff, your scalp is very itchy. You can just put a few drops of this in coconut oil or in your shampoo and massage it in your scalp, and it will give you good results. So I love essential oil because it's really flexible. You can use it in many different ways. Next I have is two face masks, and One is the licorice brightening face mask. Licorice is one of my most favorite ingredients when it comes to skin. It has really good healing properties, and it helps with fading away dark spots and any kind of acne marks. So if you have licorice powder, you can use it, or you can use a licorice brightening face mask. And next here I have is Brazilian volcanic green clay oil control mask. Now I know I have dry skin, but I still prefer using oil control products on days when I'm going to get my periods, because usually during my periods I break out on my forehead and the hormonal area, the T-zone, that is where I mostly break out. So I have learned to control it by using oil control products few days before my periods. It's all about giving your skin what it wants at that moment, and I promise you, you'll be able to ace your skincare. It's just about listening to your skin and providing it with the things that it requires at that moment. So that's why I like buying products which have oil control properties in it, so that during this time I can control my breakouts. Next I have is sheet masks. Now sheet masks are my favorite. I go through them very quickly. The thing about sheet masks, it's very easy to use. Like some days, even when I'm not doing my skincare, I just like taking one sheet mask, going to bed and applying it on bed, and then just like, you know, sitting and chatting, or, you know, being on my phone, and then removing it off. So you get the benefit of everything that your skin needs, even on days when you are lazy. So that's why I like buying these and keeping it, because it's very helpful for me and my friends and family. So here I have is Alps Goodness Hydrating Sticker Sheet Mask. These are those cute ones that have those rose and, you know, cucumber and watermelon and all of that. Then I have Dermdoc Age Defying. Now Dermdoc is one of the most affordable brands with some really good products. Now I'm 28. I am more inclined towards age-defying products and products that have anti-aging properties in it. So I like using Dermdoc as well. So here I have the age-defining microfiber sheet mask with peptides and with retinol. Now retinol has easily become one of my favorite ingredients. Very good for anti-aging. So if you are say my age or older to me, or in your 30s, look for products that have retinol in it, because it's really good for your skin. It helps regenerate new skin and helps maintain collagen level in your skin. Next I have is Purple's Time to Hydrate Sheet Mask. This has coconut extracts, rice extract. I have another Dermdoc Age Defying sheet mask with collagen in it. Next I have is Purple's charcoal extract, apricot extract, blueberry extract, and ginseng extract. So I like using sheet masks a lot. It's very easy and it hardly takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now the next brand that I have is one of my favorite brands. It is Vit Citrus. I have spoken about this brand before on my channel as well. I love their vitamin C serum. It is I don't know how many percentage, but it's a very nice serum, very brightening. If you have a lot of acne scars and spots, then this is the brand you should go for, and they're quite affordable. Yeah, $259, $235. So here I have Vit Citrus vitamin C brightening, skin brightening face mask and skin brightening face wash. Now again, vitamin C is amazing for your skin, especially if you have a lot of acne scars and pigmentation. Then look for products with vitamin C, because it helps brighten your skin and it will help with any kind of pigmentation and unevenness. Here again I have Vit Citrus vitamin C sodium hyaluronate skin moisturizing face cream and face gel and face cleanser. Now if you buy things from the same brand, it is very easy to maintain a routine. So if you suffer from acne, if you suffer from oily skin, if you suffer from pigmentation, uneven skin tone, then I would suggest you to buy products that are made together, because that way they are more effective and you will see results faster. I just dropped something. Next I have two things here: Dermdoc's anti-aging foaming face wash with retinol and anti-acne face toner with salicylic acid. Now Dermdoc, my brother uses it, he loves it. He uses a face wash from Dermdoc. I'll just bring it. He uses this Dermdoc Hydra Boost face wash with hyaluronic acid. He loves Dermdoc products, so I like getting it for him. And again, anti-aging. I was just thinking that how did I not mess up talking on this video, but yeah. Anti-aging foaming face wash with retinol. Again, very, very good. Retinol is amazing for skin, aging skin, and it really helps with building collagen. And here is anti-acne face toner with salicylic acid. Extremely good if you have acne prone skin or acne, then you should definitely go for this. I also have here is their facial kits. I have spoken about facial kits before. I've used them on my channel. I like using facial kits. This is the Dermdoc Gentle Exfoliating Facial Kit with Glycolic Acid and Dermdoc Skin Brightening Facial Kit with ascorbic acid. Both of these products are really good. If you have acne, sensitive skin, then use these products. It's easy, it's a kit. You have multiple steps. You can just like do it. Instead of going and getting a facial done, I think this is anytime better to do. Here I also have the Good Vibes Mint Pea Sure Toilet Seat Spray Sanitizer with neem extract. I have spoken about toilet seat sanitizers multiple times on my channel. I love using them, especially when you can contract UTI very easily. Then these are very, very helpful, especially because it is not one thing, it's not good to hold your pee inside. Another thing is you are afraid to use public toilets, so instead just carry one of this and spray it on the toilet. Even if it's Indian, you just need to spray it and then use it, and it's very, very safe. I've used a lot of toilet seat sanitizers from different brands, and this one has mint and neem extract with it, so it's good. Next I have with me is Alps Goodness Tulsi powder and Methi powder. Both of this I use in hair masks. I also like using Methi powder in hair oils. So it's very, very flexible. You can use it for multiple reasons, and I will show you guys what hair mask I use with both these powders. But I love using herbal powders like this. I mean, I'm sure you've seen it on my channel. I'm obsessed with herbal powders and I absolutely love using them. Next, I have some health and wellness powders from Alps Goodness. Now, the thing about these powders is that you can consume it and you can apply it as well. So here I have Amba Haldi, I have Triphala, I have Ashwagandha, I have Brahmi, I have Tulsi, and I have Karela powder. Now again, with these you can just mix a few mix some powder in warm water and consume it, or again it's very flexible. You can use it in hair mask, face mask, and you know these powders can be used in multiple ways. I will show you. If you guys want me to show you a particular mask with any of these powders, just comment down below and I will make a video on it. But yeah, so that's all I have. No, I have one more face mask, which is the Good Vibes Activated Charcoal plus Aloe Vera Pore Balancing and Oil Control Face Mask. Now again, this is very, very good if you have large pores and you want to minimize the look of it. Then you can use these charcoal related products, because charcoal is known to clean out your pores and suck out all the dirt and oil and sebum and everything. So anything with charcoal and aloe vera is really good, because aloe vera will help maintain the moisture while charcoal will clean it out, so you know your skin will not feel dry and flaky at all. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you want me to review, to make any kind of masks with these products, then just let me know in the description, in the comment section, and I will definitely do it for you guys. I will leave the links to all these products in the description box. You can check it out, and also check out the sale, buy products in sale. Take advantage of these things. I don't see why you shouldn't take advantage of sales and coupon codes and all of that. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and it helped you in some way, and if it did, then please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.